Hey guys, giving you an update on the dollar yen trade. So last week I actually missed it a couple of times over here, as you can see. Um, but this week I managed to catch it there on that spike. I believe it was on the Powell's speech. The dollar yen moved down and then spiked into the area at 157 to 70, and then it's swiftly gone back up. So it was quite a quick move. Now I'm up 130 odd pips here, but I'm thinking to take some profit because you can see here on the dollar index, the price has broken this weekly trend line there, weekly support and resistance, and it's doing the pullback there. So what I'm thinking is maybe the dollar could pull back here and then come down again. So I'm expecting the same as well on the dollar yen. Also over here you can see the 200 moving average on the 4 hour is there as well. So price could react in there as well. So I'm gonna take like most of the profit off. So I've got about one lot on this. So I'm gonna take probably about 0.70 off. So I'll close 0.70% of the trade, and then I'm gonna move my stop loss to about here, securing some more profit. And basically that is securing another 40 odd pips in case it retraces, but I've put it below the daily 55 there. And let's see, whatever rest I make is extra profit.